Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Tech Steps. In today's video, I'll show you how to check for updates in Windows 11. Keeping your system updated is essential for improved performance, security, and access to the latest features, so let's get started. To begin, click on the Start menu at the bottom of your screen and select Settings. Once the Settings app opens, look for the option labeled Windows Update in the left-hand menu and click on it. This will take you to the Windows Update page where you can manage all system updates. Here, you'll see a button that says Check for Updates. Click on it and Windows will start scanning for any available updates. If there are updates available, they will appear in a list. Windows will automatically begin downloading them. Depending on the size of the updates and your internet speed, this process might take a few minutes. Once the updates have been downloaded, Windows will prompt you to install them. Click the Install Now button to start the installation. During this time, your system might restart one or more times, so make sure you save any open work before proceeding. If no updates are available, you'll see a message that says, "You're up to date," which means your system already has the latest updates installed. It's always a good idea to check for updates regularly to ensure your PC stays secure and runs smoothly. And that's it. Checking for updates in Windows 11 is simple and quick, and it helps you get the best performance and the latest features from your operating system. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.